See MSI Credit Solutions Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description below. MSI Credit Solutions is a well-regarded credit repair company that offers personalized services designed to help individuals with poor credit or a lack of credit history. Their offerings cater primarily to those who want to improve their credit score by disputing inaccuracies, removing negative items, and addressing any issues that affect their financial standing. Whether you're dealing with late payments, collections, or bankruptcies, MSI Credit Solutions is aimed at helping you clear those hurdles. The key feature of MSI Credit Solutions is their customized credit repair plans. They start with a free consultation where they assess your credit report and create a tailored strategy to address your specific issues. This personalized approach ensures that you're not just getting generic services, but a plan that focuses on your unique credit situation. The company also provides credit monitoring and educational resources, which can help clients not only repair their credit, but also understand the factors affecting their scores. Another major strength is MSI's affordable pricing. With plans starting at a reasonable rate, it's a solid choice for people who need quality service without breaking the bank. Additionally, MSI Credit Solutions is known for its excellent customer support, offering access to knowledgeable advisors who can guide you throughout the repair process. This hands-on customer care sets them apart from other companies in the market. On the downside, MSI Credit Solutions does not have a clear money-back guarantee like some competitors. This lack of transparency could be a concern for potential clients unsure of the outcome. Additionally, while the service is effective, some clients may experience longer timelines in seeing results, as credit repair can take several months depending on the complexity of the case. In conclusion, MSI Credit Solutions offers a reliable, affordable, and personalized credit repair service. While they may not have a money-back guarantee, the value, expertise, and customer service they offer make them a strong choice for anyone looking to repair their credit.